Hi, I'm Liz and I bought a 32-foot project canal boat for my first home. Two things I've always wanted in life: to be mortgage free and to be able to travel. Buying a canal boat seemed the perfect idea. Follow me as I restore her into a luxurious home on a budget and explore the British waterways.
Yo, she's a piece I'm working on. So I've got my setup, I've got my paintbrushes, I've got my paints, and I have my fancy easel from when I was 15. Still got the old picture. Let's get cracking, shall we? Good morning. It's Friday today. I would admit I'm a bit behind on my schedule. I've been so busy that this week I haven't stopped working on. I'm just a bit behind schedule. Anyway, I want to show you a couple of things I've been working on. So under here is that little purple canvas, and I resin coated it for a second time yesterday, so I'm going to see what it's like. I'm actually really happy with it. I love it. Okay. Oh, it's beautiful. It's always a joy when you see your work going in the way that you imagined it. And yeah, this This is better how I imagined actually. Oh, what a lovely day so far. So all I have to do, smooth these little bits here. Should probably do that with some sand and paper. I'm not sure, but yeah. Right. And then I've just ordered some more resin for this piece. This is going to be, you know, Big Daddy. I need a bigger work area to do this, so I've got some exciting news. Okay, so I want to show you something exciting. This is going to be my new studio. Ooh. They're just building it at the moment. As you can see, it's a lot bigger than the other studio down there, and it's going to have a door, which is going to be lovely for Leela, nice and private for her. So this is going to be my workspace. But this is going to be turned into a shop. That's right, it's going to be a shop. I'm actually filming this at the end of the day. It's just been really chock-a-block, and I wanted to take the camera to show you the studio earlier, but people were working on it, so. But yeah, so I'm going to go into this space with another artist and a potter, and we're going to open it as a shop so people can just walk in and buy our stuff, and I'll be showing off my canvases here, so if anyone wants to come along and buy some stuff, then they can. I'm very, very aware that, you know, this business, it's the start of something. I'm at this beginning of this journey. I say beginning of the studio. It's gone from strength to strength since I've had the studio, but I have really high expectations and high ambitions for it, and I have high expectations of myself. I want to make this a success. Just being average isn't good enough. I want it to be a proper recognisable brand. There are many artists that I really admire, and they have a very clear-cut brand. They have, you know, galleries showing their work, and that's what I want. So I'm going to manifest, and I'm going to carry on working super hard to try and achieve that. But yeah, I feel good. While I'm here, I might as well share a bit about the boat as well, what's going on with the boat. So Wayne's coming on Monday, it's Friday today. I know a lot of you are impatient and keen to see some boat videos, and I really want to show you some boat video stuff too, but at the moment, because it's so vital for me to be creating the funding to ensure the continuation of Leviathan's evolution, being here 6 days a week is really, it's non-negotiable. I have to be here and I have to work, and it'd be lovely to drive an hour and film at the boatyard and get into everyone's way and stuff, but I can't do that. I'm taking ego out of it. The most important thing is to get the boat done and to get the funds for her. And I have wanted this business to become a reality all my life. I never thought it would be possible to make a living being an artist, illustrator. It's what I went to college for, it's what I went to university for. That's my dream. I want to make this a success. I'm more than a boat, and I'm really looking forward to sharing boat videos with you and sharing that lifestyle. And it will happen. It's just at the moment we're doing the boat up. So please be patient. It's gonna work out. We're in a pandemic and I'm working my ass off, and because who knows, if this pandemic gets worse, the studio will be shut down. So I have to wring out every single day that I am blessed with to be able to be allowed to be here, to, you know, work for a living, and I have to take advantage of that. I just want to have a little shout out to patrons as well. Thank you so much, you guys are awesome. I'm just really grateful, and I've just been finding myself. I've discovered a lot about myself during this process, and I just feel very well-rounded and secure in myself right now, and that's just such a good place to be. I'm extremely happy. But anyway, let you get on. Have a lovely, lovely day, whatever you're doing, whoever you're with. Yeah, all the best.